Hi everyone. Welcome to the Ad-Lib from the GrabAds series. Now we are in Jakarta and we are thrilled today because we have Pak Mayang from Domino's. Yeah, Pak Mayang, please introduce yourself and what you do in Domino's.
Thank you, Roy. Om Swastiastu. Hello and Namaste. My name is Mayang Singh. I'm the CMO of Domino's Pizza Indonesia. I've been here in this beautiful country, which is Indonesia, for last 7 years. And so far, I've been enjoying with the beautiful people of Indonesia and the pizzas that we are selling.
Thank you, Pak Mayang. So let's have a conversation there. The first one, we know from experimentation to the engines are moving fast, and then the Gen AI is applied many times nowadays. The focus right now is practical, scalable integration to drive efficiency as well as the creativity. The question will be, what is the single biggest business problem that you are currently trying to solve with AI?
So the short answer to this is that we're trying to solve everything. The technology is not the solution. The problem is a problem, and then you are seeing which technology can solve the problem that you have. And being into this business, the biggest single problem is how to get into the life of the consumer so that I can be the part of the moment. Now, to be that part of the moment, what I need to know? I need to know the right moment, the right timing, when he is hungry. So the ability to predict a consumer's behavior is a problem that I want to solve with the right creative solutions. So if he is looking for food, I should be the one able to predict, and with the right product that he would be happy to place an order. So that's the problem I would want to solve at the moment with the AI.
Thank you for that, Pak. Yeah, I think it's very resonating for us that with AI, we can deliver the right content in the right time for the right audience. The second one regarding the digital channel. And nowadays, actually, we know it's not about the search engine, it's not about the social media, but right now about the retail media network. How you see the retail media network becoming more significant, especially to your budget? And then what is your planning regarding the strategy to balance the brand versus the performance conversation in the retail media network like that?
I would say I'm a maverick marketer, and I don't follow the rules which the marketers has made in this world. So me and my team, we don't have these budgets which is like specific to a brand or a performance. What we do value is what is the objective and what is the strength of the channel. Like GrabAds, it has its own strength, it has its own audiences, and a particular time how those audiences are behaving is also different. A person who is sitting in a Grab car, moving or waiting for that car, that moment is very different when he's looking for food. So for me, both brand and performance are equally important. If the given month objective is to drive more awareness, then I'll go for it. Jakarta is more issue for me in terms of the awareness, and there is not even number of footfall that is coming. So the focus will go as an objective to drive more awareness in that particular city. However, in a different city, my objective will change because there is awareness, but there is no lower funnel conversion which is happening, and I'll go more effective on performance. So it changes from city, changes from channel, and what will give me the best results in achieving my objective, I'll follow that.
Probably the last question. We know right now the accountability and also the pressure is getting higher, especially for the C-level or for the C-suite. How actually you balance that one? And then what is the financial metrics you care the most?
When the market is slow, the CFO and the CEO, they will question about not how much you are spending. They will question about how much you are saving. However, the one important metrics that helps us in engaging my CEO, CFO, and for my own team is the incremental revenue. Am I able to drive an incremental revenue of all the spending I'm doing? And in this kind of market, when you're able to drive an incremental revenue, that is the time that no one would ask you the question, because it is driving an incremental revenue and the spend that you are making in the right direction. So I will say that incremental revenue is one key metric I always measure.
Again, thank you for your time, Pak Mayang. For you guys, let's have another insight from the others.
Bye.